So this is a room review of the Bellagio King Fountainview room 2550. So as you come in, we're going to start with the bathroom. You have a huge bathroom, a huge shower. Come with your shampoos, soaps. Has no door. As you move over to the bottom, you have towels, your hair dryer, additional towels, your bathroom. His and her sink. Nice vanity mirror, well lit. They give you your toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash, more lotion, magnify mirror light, or lighted magnify mirror. Your bathroom. As we move out, you have a very spacious closet, luggage rack, robes, motion detected light, ironing board with iron, in-wall safe. That's the light in the bathroom. Okay, as we move into the room, this is your door to the adjacent room. Here's your king-size bed. Has to be embroidered into the pillow. You have your phone, reading lights. You have to cut these on manually. There's a switch behind the light to cut it on. And this light switch on the wall over there, turn your lights on top of your bed. So you have about a 55, maybe 60-inch TV, little desk, your ice holder. These are the amenities of water. These are not free. If you touch it, they will charge you for it. Fully stocked mini fridge. A lot of alcohol, candy bars, drinks. They do give you a personal shelf, maybe for a couple of bottles of water, that's about it. So that's nice. Most hotels don't even give you that. Here's move over. Have another nightstand with a light switch. You can put your phone on top of this to charge it up at night. Have a little sofa with a table. Another little desk with a chair and a little mini chair. So now I want to show you the view. You can open up your drapers and shears here. And this is your view. That's a pretty nice view. So you can, during the fountain show, hear the music in your room if you choose to. I will put a video up there a little bit later. Yeah, this is the Fountainview King room of the Bellagio. For more Vegas videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe.